So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to respond to the negative review, so that way people understand what happened. So I wrote back to him. This guest had left our house a complete mess after he left. It took our cleaner 3 extra hours to clean the house. There was garbage left out all over the house, loads of dishes that were not done. Furniture was moved from one room to another, and 2 of our duvets had significant stains on them. I asked to cover the cost of extra cleaning, which was $50, and is clearly stated on our Airbnb listing. Second step I'm going to do is I was doing some research earlier, and it turns out that you can dispute negative reviews, especially if they are of retaliation. Is that the right word? Anyway, if someone's retaliating, you can dispute that. And so I'm going to try and find that right now. Okay, so check this out. So if you go to the bottom of Airbnb, hit under support and hit help center right here. Okay. And then from here, I typed in review dispute, and they have right here. Okay, so click that, press search, and here, look at this. How to dispute retaliatory reviews. Okay, click on it. And so, look at this. You can dispute a retaliatory review. So you click on this, and guess where it takes you. And here it is. So I'm going to fill this out and we'll see what happens.
Real quick, before we dive any deeper, if you're just getting started with Airbnb or looking to land your first listing, you're going to want to listen up. You need to check out our free Airbnb school community, because inside you'll get access to our Airbnb school masterclass. You'll get access to weekly Get Your First Listing live coaching calls, and you'll also get access to a global community of motivated hosts and top 1% of Airbnb earners. In addition to all of that, we also include must-have tools like cleaning checklists, furnishing guides, house manuals, and landlord contract templates, everything that you need to get up and running with your Airbnb business. All this is designed to help you get that first deal fast. And the best part, it's totally free to join. So just hit the link in the description below, and I will see you on the inside. Okay, back to the video.
Okay, so I'm currently on hold with Airbnb, and I'm waiting to get a hold of somebody, and I'll show you why. So what I did was I threw their little prompt here, and I just told them what I'm looking for. I want the review to be removed, and then they have a couple other prompts that you go through. And so in this case, it says select a reservation here, and then I had to scroll down and say this actually doesn't apply to a reservation. And then it gave me this next, which is like pick one of these. And so I said dispute a review you received. And so now from there, you get to choose if you want to connect with a person or not. And so I chose that, right? Connect me with a person. And how would you like to connect with us? I said call us. And so they gave me a phone number down here. And so that's where I'm at right now. And we'll see if I can get this thing removed. I'll let you guys know.
So great news. I just got off the phone with Airbnb, and I couldn't remove it because of like the retaliatory or whatever that term is. But they did say, because he used a derogatory term, if you remember, he called me a scam artist. And he said that's name calling, has nothing to do with the listing itself. And so because of that, they removed the listing for me. Boom. There you go.